In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Navbar in Card. We're building a clean, functional Navbar using only Card's built-in tools, so you won't need any code. Start by opening Card in your browser and head into your dashboard. Open the site you want to edit so you're inside the Card editor. First, add the structure for your menu. Click Add and choose Container. This container will hold your navigation items. Change the container's layout by opening its type dropdown and selecting Columns. Columns let you place links side by side in a tidy row. Use the Add control inside the Columns panel to create as many columns as you need for your menu. You can always adjust the count later if you add or remove links. When that's set, click Done to confirm. Now place the navbar where visitors expect it. Drag the container to the very top of your page so it sits above your content sections. This ensures your navigation is immediately visible and easy to reach. Next, set up your header behavior. Click Add again and choose Control. Open the Type dropdown and select Header Marker. In your layer list, position this header marker below your menu elements. That tells Card to treat everything above the marker as the header, helping the navbar appear consistently across your sections. Click Done when you've placed it correctly. Time to add the actual links. Click Add and choose Buttons. Drop each button into the container so it snaps into one of your columns. If a button lands outside, just drag it until the column highlights to confirm it's inside. Repeat this process to create a button for every link you want in your menu. Configure each button so it looks right and goes to the right place. In the button settings, update the label text, choose a style and size that matches your design, and set the URL. For on-page navigation, use section anchors like #home or #about. For external pages, paste the full link. Keep labels short and readable, and aim for consistent capitalization across all buttons. When you're happy with the look and links, click Done to save your changes. That's it, you've set up a clean navbar in Card using a columns container, a header marker for consistent behavior, and buttons for your links. If your spacing feels off, consider slightly adjusting column widths or button padding for balance. And as you preview your site, test each link to make sure it jumps to the correct section or page. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Card navbar.